You're taking luck.
就这么大个机场，就连个和府捞面都找不到，你说这气人不气人了？没有和府捞面，兰州拉面也行了吗？这兰州拉面也没有，就那法棍面包，谁能吃得下了？啊？看看这是卖啥了？这是 Costa Coffee， 喝咖啡的。哎呀，这是啥？这是卖切糕了吧？这很明显。哎呀，这个切糕呀，你好。哎，这个切糕非常不错 ，Thank you，Thank you。Which one you eating? Which one you eating?
I eat.
你在吃吗
It's sweet.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. 这个切糕不错啊。
Zero sugar with honey.
Really?
Yeah. We have offer buy 2 get 1 free.
It's a chocolate. How much is this?
60.
买60 RM。哦
Yeah.
Okay.
If you buy 2 free 1.
差点就买了呀。这个也还行。迪拜黑巧克力，迪拜黑巧60，偏贵了一点，先买点甜点吧，能随口吃的。还把
This one also buy 2 free 1. This box is also makes all bestseller inside.
I prefer this maybe. Yes.
Okay.
How much is this? Baby.
Shirley pieces
60.
Yeah.
Can be discount?
Yeah, okay, 50 ringgit.
Okay, thank you.
How I say 50 in Chinese?
50.
50.
Yes.
I mix. Or you want to choose?
This one? This. Okay, maybe. I prefer this.
Okay. 谢谢。
Done? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
By cash.
By card. Okay.
Okay, sesame.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, I give you all. Which one you want?
吃吧，就边走边吃吧。
You're taking vlog?
Yes, it will be a vlog on the TikTok, Douyin, and YouTube. Thank you. This one looks good.
This one gift for you.
Thank you.
Sesame. You like it? You want to try it?
这什么呀？他送你个什么呀？嗯。